Inside of Empower, there are multiple ways to share a playlist or a particular activity inside of a playlist. In this video, we'll take a look at how that works. One way is to use the share button that is inside of each of the playlists. So I can share with specific people by starting to type their name, and I can find them inside of the teacher drop down here. When I go ahead and hit save, that will send a message to that person inside their message center here, which will give them access to that playlist. Here is a message that I got from Jill when we were doing the initial training and kind of what that looks like. Here Jill has sent me edit rights to this play value or playlist sample here. I can go ahead and click this. I can see the playlist, and then I can go ahead and assign it to my learners. I can go ahead and assign it as an original, or I can assign a copy. You can see here your copy to change as you desire. So if I want to edit it, this is one way that I can go ahead and edit that initial playlist, and the changes do not modify the original. So that makes sure that what's being used by the other person is still preserved. The other way that I can go ahead and share a playlist that can be modified is through the playlist ID number. So I can use the share button, or I can go ahead and give this ID number to anyone that wants to use the playlist, and they can come to the instruction tab, and that's what the search feature is for. So you can search through that quick ID number, and again, that can be for a whole playlist or a particular activity or assessment. Click open, and here I am inside that playlist, and now I can assign it to my learners. You'll notice that the number that I have copied, and I'll bring up a text edit doc to show you that these two are different. The number that I had copied previously was 33399. The new number here, when I go ahead and open that one, is 037058, which means it is a cloned copy of the previous playlist that I searched for, but it's my own copy. It's a copy that I can use to go ahead and edit as I want, assign to my learners, and it will not affect the original. I can now assign this as it is, or I can assign a copy of that. Remember, if I assign a copy of that, it does not have any effect on those that were in the original copy. So those are a couple ways that you can leverage creating playlists that will be used by multiple people and go ahead and share those amongst one another. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.